everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag. You guys, I'm sure have seen my Walmart beauty bag, and that one was a disaster. I will just tell you, I've canceled Walmart beauty bag, and that tube of stuff, I'm just going to take it to Goodwill. I have no one to give it to. I don't really know anybody here in Camden that I could give it to, so I'm gonna take it to Goodwill. And anyway, so here we go. This is Ipsy, and it came quick again. I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, I have an add-on, and I have stuff outside of my bag. Is that it? That's it. Let me move that. Let's start with my don't be blurry. Let's start with my add-on. When I saw this listed, I think I paid $12 for this. It is, I got a Natasha Denona 5-pan. I got rose and wood. Is this, look at this. This is the $50 size, right? Aren't these around 50? This is the mini. This is not a mini. Wow, I had no idea. I thought I was buying a mini. No. These pans are interchangeable with the pans in the big palettes. Oh, those are some pretty colors. Let's watch this. This is rose and wood. I hadn't really heard of that. That's a pretty shade. Oh, I bought readers at Audi. How good they are, I don't know. Let's see. You're blurry. Let's see if I can read with these. I can read with them. You're blurry though. I can look down and read. They don't have names. Center eyelid 320M, outer eyelid 321M, inner corner 322K, lash line 327cm, center eyelid 332M. The glasses work, I can read. Yeah. So anyway, they don't really have names, but it tells you how to use them. But we're going to swatch them. I'm just going to swatch them on the back of my hand. We'll just go down. So we've got 4 shimmers. That's pretty. That's a pretty kind of a mauve. A mauve-y shade. Oh yeah. Let me grab a wipe. Sorry guys. That's a pretty shade. Okay, then the next shade is also a shimmer. Ooh, that's a pretty taupe, what I would call a taupe. Next is a peachy champagne shade. Next is a matte, like a smoky, it's like a dark gray, brownish gray maybe. It is like smoke or soot, not black. But, and then the last shimmer is not as pinky. So let's see if we can look at those. Aren't those pretty? Wow. We got it here. I'm not sorry I picked that up. I think $12. It was an add-on. Throw these things away. Good deal. Good deal. Oh, this was out. Let's see what's inside my bag. Here's the bag. It's satin. It's red, and that's kind of a pink. That's kind of a pink. Let me get the card out. Unwrapped Joy. Okay, and it's got what I got in here. So let's see what we got in here. Let me take everything out. Oh, nice size. I like the bag's pretty. That would be nice to put somebody a little gift in and give away. I wouldn't carry that around personally, it being satin. But, alright. I got the Tatcha, the Indigo Overnight Repair. There we go. This serum in cream goes into repair mode with Japanese indigo extract to calm redness, hyaluronic acid and ceramides to lock in moisture, and mondo grass root. Mondo grass. To get your skin back in balance. I like mondo grass. It's a cool plant. Anyway. So that you can wake up to a super soothed and radiant complexion. Did you hear how I said that? Super soothed. I don't believe I could have said that 3-4 months ago. I'm feeling better. Tip, take a pearl size amount and smooth it over your cleansed face and neck every morning. I like Tatcha. I've got some Tatcha products. I don't smell anything, but nice. Nice indeed. Put the lid back on that. Okay. Next, Saturday Skin. Saturday Skin. Rough, congested, and uneven skin. Consider it a bump in the road. Excuse me. Consider it a bump in the road with this peeling gel that visibly lifts away dead skin, dirt, and debris right before your eyes in both gentle and effective and soothing and removing clog. Wait a minute. Okay. It visibly lifts away dead skin, dirt, and debris right before your eyes. Exclamation mark. It's both gentle and effective at soothing and removing pore clogging nasties to reveal radiant, healthy skin. To train. Sorry. Make sure your hands and skin are totally dry before applying for best results. Full size of this. Let me get my readers on. $28. The full size of this is $92. 50 mil is the full size of that. I don't know. I don't know how big that is. But the full size of this is 75 mil for $28. And this is 10 mil. Okay. Next we have EVO Beauty Pink Perspective Deep Puff Hydrogel Eye Therapy. I think they're little eye things. Say goodbye to puffiness, visible fine lines, and wrinkles with these soothing eye patches. Packed with hyaluronic acid and collagen to help keep your skin bouncy, hydrated, and smooth. They feel like a refreshing drink for your tired under eyes. I have tired under eyes. Apply to clean under eyes for 20-30 minutes. Then pat in the remaining essence. A full-size box of this is 6 count for $18. Okay. 6 count for $18, and this one is 3. So you get half. So this is $9 worth right here. Nice. I'm happy. I think this is one I picked. Pixie Beauty Lip Glow in Ruby. Your lips never felt as pampered and pretty with a tinted balm before that it's packed with nutrient-packed shea and mango butters to smooth, soften, and hydrate your palate with every swipe. Plus, the ruby red pigment is totally buildable and leaves a gorgeous dewy shine. Tip. Glide over your lips anytime you need a boost of moisture, shine, or hint of color. This is full size. It is $14. I tell you, if there's an eyeshadow or a lipstick to be had, that seems to be what I gravitate towards. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Yeah, nice. Oh, cool. Twist at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. See, it gives you a little color. That's nice. Nice. Okay, and then last I got Pure Lease Beauty, Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer in medium. A Dreamy BB Cream contains a delicious cocktail of antioxidants and tone-enhancing ingredients like strawberries, blueberries, and cranberries to even out discoloration, brighten dull skin, and nourish dryness with a lightweight hint of coverage for your yummiest skin ever. Tip: use clean fingers to smooth a dime-sized amount over your face after your skin routine. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $36 for 30 ml. Ooh, these are some tiny writing. 0.34 fluid of 10 ml. 10 ml for this one. Full size is 30 ml. So that's a third of this. Does it have? It has a seal. I'm not going to open it yet. These things are going to go in my samples to be pulled later. I'm going to just add that to my stuff, and I'm going to just use these as well. I'm very pleased with my Ipsy bag. Very pleased. I didn't get anything that is not, I don't think it's not good. It's all good, and I'm very pleased with my palette because I did not expect it to be the full-size 5-pan. I thought I was buying a mini for $12. I didn't know, because I know these are, I think they're 50 or more, around 50 bucks. I'm not sure. Anyway, what did you guys get in your Ipsy? I'd like to know. Did you guys pick this up? I didn't see any other colors. I just saw this color. I never know. Sometimes I think I'm in there, I get in there too late and I don't get, you know, a chance for all the good stuff. But anyway, guys, again, thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe. So guys, have a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all next time.